Alright then guys, we won. So now I'm going to be opening a pack. So let's see what he gave us, what EA gave us. Alright, this is good guys. We might get second player, but at least they're gold. 977, holy crap, that's good. Alright, advance. Let's go. Alright. Ooh. Here we go, guys. Are you guys ready to open a gold pack? Boom. About a week ago. What the? I'm done with FIFA. This is bull. Damn, guys, look at that. You see that? You see that? Oh my god. Nah, this is bullcrap. I'm done. See you guys later. I'm done. I'm so done.